everyone, welcome to the online classes. In our earlier class we discussed about the festivals. I told you about the festivals, various different types of festivals like religious festivals and national festivals. Religious festivals are the festivals which we celebrate according to the state-wise, or the people who are living. According to them, we will be celebrating the religious festivals like Diwali, Eid, Ramzan, Christmas, then Guru Parva, Baisakhi, Pongal. All these are the Onam. According to the state, we will be celebrating, and we have the national festivals like Independence Day. National festivals are the festivals which will celebrate throughout the country. For all over the country, we will be celebrating the national festivals, which are like 15th August, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti, 26th January Republic Day. So these national festivals are celebrated by everyone in the country, and religious festivals are celebrated according to the state, according to the people. Okay, so in India we have these two festivals, national festivals and religious festivals. Okay, now why festivals are important? Festivals make during festivals people will meet each other, they'll go to the relatives, they will meet each other, they will spend their time happily, they prepare special dishes and eat, they will enjoy themselves. Okay, so let us now do the textbook exercises. Okay, tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. People worship goddess Lakshmi on the dash day. Holi, Diwali, Dasera. When people worship goddess Lakshmi? Diwali. Put the tick mark to Diwali and write on the Diwali day. On the Diwali day. People worship goddess Lakshmi on the Diwali day. People worship goddess Lakshmi on the Diwali day. Okay. Which festival do people celebrate on 25th December? Which festival do people celebrate? 25th December, Eid, Christmas, Pongal. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. The main festival of the people of Tamil Nadu is, the people of Tamil Nadu celebrate which festival? Is it Onam, Baisakhi or Pongal? What we have discussed? Pongal is celebrated by people of Tamil Nadu. Pongal is a festival of people of Tamil Nadu. Okay. People of Tamil Nadu celebrates Pongal. So write here Pongal. 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 Okay. Now turn the page 68. Choose the B-bit. Choose the correct words for each statement. Ramzan is the month of fasting, eating. Fasting. The Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh Hindus. Sikhs. Holi Diwali is the festival of colors. Colors? Holi. Diwali is the festival of lights. Onam is the main festival of the people of Punjab, Kerala. A big parade is held in New Delhi on the Independence Day, Republic Day. A big parade is held in New Delhi on the Independence Day or Republic Day. Republic Day. A big parade is held in New Delhi on the Republic Day. Ramzan is the month of fasting. The Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of the Sikhs. Holi is the festival of colors. Holi is the festival of colors. Onam is the main festival of the people of Kerala. A big parade is held in New Delhi on the Republic Day. Okay. Take this. And we'll go to the next bit. Name the festival when. Name the festival when. Children let off crackers. Children let off crackers on which festival? On Diwali. 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 Muslims make sevaiya on Eid. 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 Christians sing carols on Christmas. 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 Sikhs eat a langar on Guru Parv. Guru. Guru. Parv. Parv. Guru Parv. People watch the snake boat race on. People watch the snake boat race on Onam. 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 Okay. Children let off crackers. Diwali. Children let off crackers on Diwali. Muslims make sevaiya on Eid. Muslims make sevaiya on Eid. Christians sing carols on Christmas. Christians sing carols on Christmas. Sikh eat a langar on Guru Parv. Sikhs eat a langar on Guru Parv. People watch the snake boat race on Onam. People watch the snake boat race on Onam. Okay. Now D-bit. Answer the following questions. What is the main attraction of the Onam festival? What is the main attraction? What is the main attraction of the Onam festival? Boat race. Boat race is the main attraction. Boat race is the main attraction of the Onam festival. What is the main attraction of the Onam festival? Boat race is the main attraction of the Onam festival. Boat race is the main attraction of the Onam festival. When do you celebrate the Independence Day? 15th August. 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 When do you celebrate the Independence Day? 15th August. When do you celebrate the Republic Day? 26th January. 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 When do you celebrate the Republic Day? 26th January. When do you celebrate the Republic Day? 26th January. When do you celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? 2nd October. 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 When do you celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? 2nd October. When do you celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? 2nd October. Circle time. Complete this. We'll do the circle time. Circle time. Write this message. Write this message. What is the message is hidden in this? S-A-Y. Say. S-A-Y. Say. O-N. N-O. No. Say no to. T-O-2. Say no to. Say no to crackers. C-R-A-C-K E-R-S. Say no to crackers. C-R-A-C-K-E-R-S. Crackers. Say no to crackers. Okay. Why we should say no to the crackers? Because crackers will make a lot of noise, there is a sound pollution, and after burning of the crackers there is a lot of smoke will be there which will pollute the air. Crackers is a sound pollution and air pollution, and if you are not careful you may burn your hands, legs, or skin or face, anything or there may be fire accidents. So it should be, we should say no to crackers. We should say no to crackers. Okay. Diwali is a festival of lights. We should we should decorate the lights, we should eat, we should meet with our friends and relatives, we should enjoy, but it should not be bursting of lot of crackers, and if we are not careful we may lose our lives also. So say no to crackers. This is the message. Okay, let us go to page number 69. Tick what you do on a festival. Okay. Tick what you do on a festival. Plant a sapling. Yes, we can do. Okay. Let off crackers. Yes, we do. Sing and dance. Yes, we do. Visit a place of worship. Yes. Give food to poor and hungry person. Yes. Go to your friends' houses to greet them. Yes. Help your mother to prepare special dish. Yes. Offer sweets to people who come to greet you. Yes. Help your parents to clean and decorate the house. Yes. Okay. All these things we will do on the festivals. Okay. Then activity or project work. Paste the pictures of different festivals. Write about the importance of every festival. So this is for your homework. You need to paste the pictures of different festivals, and first you paste the picture. Like here you paste the picture. If you have pasted the Diwali, picture of Diwali, you should write below that Diwali is the festival of lights. On this day we'll pray to Goddess Lakshmi. Okay. Children burn crackers, or 1-2 lines you can write. Then next picture. If you are pasting picture of a Christmas, this is the festival of Christians. On this particular day Jesus Christ has born. This is the birthday of the Jesus Christ. Christians will go to the Christmas to the church and offer prayers to the Jesus. So like this you need to write. Paste the pictures, write about the festival. Paste the picture, write about the festival. Okay. This is for your homework. That's all for today. We'll meet in our next class with a new topic. Have a good day.